Maybe this turns out to be a good week because now that I'm looking at it, the next story was pretty decent as well. The FTC is looking at focusing on privacy and cybersecurity as a priority going forward. And there's a couple of good, snippets out of this thing where basically they made it clear data privacy and cybersecurity are now a priority and will be for the years to come. And what do you call it? I think they also have, if you got the next slide up too, Brent, there's a couple things that they want to do, stuff for children under 18, algorithmic and biometric bias, which is something we've talked about a lot on this show over the past couple seasons, episodes, and deceptive and manipulative practices. All three are pretty good categories. I think it'd be interesting to see how they execute, but at least that these are being talked about and publicized. I think that's maybe a step in the right direction, that something could happen here. I mean, I guess we got to hope for it, but
Yeah, some of these are good moves, not necessarily privacy moves. I really don't see much to do with privacy here. It's more to do with algorithms and targeting and manipulative content to whatnot. I don't see privacy. So, in my view, nothing changes yet. Hopefully, this is just an indication of what's to come. But we still remain the Cayman Islands of privacy abusers at this point.
Yeah, I mean these are they're positive. They are definitely positive. But yeah, I agree. I don't think they really speak to the kind of these are like the table stakes here. These things. It doesn't speak to the overall ethical use of people's data. This is a security measure. I think a lot of this is more security because you want to protect, particularly the folks that are younger, from things that happen. But protection and security is one thing which is important. Taking that next leap into privacy concerns, I think this doesn't really get that yet.
This is likely a smart move in that case, Brent, where you put out a privacy law and that is compared with GDPR, and it's all the lobby money at play, I guess, where you say you have something because it's not like people know the difference between privacy and security, right? So putting a law in there and lobby dollars at work, and so that's where I know I'm being skeptical here, but so far I haven't seen anything comprehensive, nothing close to GDPR. Would love to see it, but not holding my breath on that.
Yeah.
It's like when I ask people about your privacy policy. Oh yeah, we're real secure. We got our security. No, that's not exactly what I asked you about. I think people they know what they're doing, and I think in a number of instances they can get away with that. But I think as time goes on, as more people get more comfortable in their knowledge of what's privacy and what's ethical about how data is being used, not how it's being secured from hackers, but actually how are you using my data and who are you allowing that? That's a whole different story. And I think eventually the shell game is not going to be able to be won much longer.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, at that point, like Raju said, putting privacy and security in the same sentence together kind of could just drive a couple more clicks, right? You search for privacy stories and this one will come up, but not a lot there.